Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2025 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.